there. Stitchy Quilty vlog number 3, I guess. I still haven't figured out how to get number 2 off my phone, and here I am recording number 3. I have cut quite a lot of 1 1/4 inch squares. They're all in plastic baggies with the floss name and the chart symbol on it. And I labeled it for the floss because sometimes I can't, the symbol's not enough. It's a little bit iffy because like this circle can possibly look a bit like this diamond, or you know, I don't even know. That's an arrow, you know. So anyway, I thought that I would show you how I pick the color. So first of all, I look through all of my fabric. Yes, all of my fabric except for like yardage. Like if I have more than half a yard, I don't look at it. So these are all scraps, like little tiny pieces that I just cannot bear to throw away, right? So I say, okay, I'm going to need pink and red for this, right? I'm going to need some pink and red for Blooming Bouquets number 2, Cheerful by Jeanette Douglas. So I get out all my pink and red that I think might work. And then I put it, well, first I put it in a tote like this and forget about it. Or just not think about it for quite a while. Because, frankly, it's a little overwhelming. Okay, so then I just take one color at a time. I started with this one because it was what I need the least of, guessing. I'm guessing I need the least of this. So I picked out, I made piles like this where they're like color families, I guess. Like here we have some brownish red and orange, like dark burnt colors. Here's more orangey red. Here is some like coral dusty pink type thing. Okay, and then here is like the more traditional bubblegum pink, hot pink, pastel pink, that sort of thing. Here we've got dark burgundies, and here we have like, I don't even know what color this is, but there it is. And so I need to figure out which one of these is my pink and my red, and which one goes with the colors I have already chosen. Honestly, I'm at a loss. I don't really know. I think I really want this pile over here, just because this is my taste. I like these colors. These are my colors. And I like this one. I like these, but they don't go, there's not enough contrast between these two, because I really need a darker color and a lighter color. So I don't know. There's my finger in front of the camera. So I also have to think which two colors go together, because they do touch. So like I might bring some of this pile over and see, you know, like how does it compare. Like I think these two, this could be my dark color and then this could be my lighter pink. Or I actually only have 2 colors of pink. I don't know. Honestly, I'm surprised I have any pink. I also wanted to show you what I have done. I have taken these 2 cardboard pieces and made myself a little protection envelope. And I can just open it up like this. And here are my assembled blocks. I have 7 completed, and this is the top edge right here, so they're sideways to you right now, but as you can see, I've been doing things. I haven't sewn any of them yet because I'm not too sure about some of the colors, like these browns. The call for is brown, but I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. I was thinking of making them purple. I have some dark dusty purple I think would look nice. So, anyway, I think this is pretty cool. Hopefully I can get these videos off my phone. If you're seeing them, then I have. So, this just takes like that, and they're not going to crinkle up in there. And I can store them vertically, and they'll take up less room, and I don't have to worry about them getting dirty or wrinkled. So anyway, I'm going to go to bed because it's honestly almost midnight, and this is overwhelming to me. So I'm just going to leave this out on the table, and maybe tomorrow morning I'll come down and be like, yes, of course, this color. Why didn't I realize before? So I'll catch you later.